Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be testing out this Rosalind Polygel. Full disclosure, this was sent to me, but this is not sponsored. I just worked with the brand to do some photos for them, but all opinions are still my own. I'll be doing a review on these as well as a tutorial on how I achieved this nail design. I hope you enjoy, and let's get right into it. The polygels come in this cute little box. You can get these on Amazon for $7.99, but for a limited time you can take an extra 5% off with my link down below. It comes with the 2 glitter shades as well as a little book of instructions. I'll be using tips today and my nails are all ready to go. I already have a base coat using 70% isopropyl alcohol as our slip solution. I'm just going to be using this really basic polygel brush. Starting on the thumb, I'm taking the lighter shade and I'm just squeezing that out, and I'm going to start patting that into place. So far it's been fine being able to squeeze it out and pat it around. Sometimes polygels, especially glitter polygels, can be a bit too thick and just really hard to manipulate, so I'm glad that these are really easy to work with. It's not sticky at all. I'm really enjoying the consistency of these polygels. You can see how easy it is for me to pat it all into place, and it's just doing exactly what I want it to. Not to mention how absolutely stunning they are. Look at this glitter. This one is definitely my favorite out of the two. I love this shade. It's so pretty. Onto the pointer nail, I'm taking the second shade, the sort of darker reddish one, and I'll be patting that into place. This one has more of a fine glitter to it. There's not a lot of the big ones like in the other shade. It's still really pretty, but I just think I like the other one just a little bit more. Again, really easy to work with. It's staying right where I want it to, and I'm not having any issues with it sticking. And I'm just going to repeat that process for the rest of the nails, just alternating each shade for each nail. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Also, please don't forget to subscribe if you like nail videos or nail content. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much. You can also check me out on Instagram and TikTok at kaylas.nailartistry. I'm always posting. I actually did make a TikTok on this set. If you're interested in following me there, that'll be down below as well. And back to the nails, I'm just finishing up applying all the polygel. Now that all the polygel's laid and cured, I'm going to go ahead and start filing. I mostly use a hand file for this, but I do pull out my drill in a minute. I'm using the Makartt's portable handheld drill. I cannot say enough good things about this drill. It's one of my favorite nail drills. It's so convenient and so easy to use. The battery really does last you a long time as well, so you don't have to worry about it dying on you all the time. I'll link this down below, and I did want to mention you can use code Kayla15 for 15% off anything on Makartt's website. Now that we're all filed and shaped, I'm going to go ahead and apply a base coat to the nails, and just look at the glitter, especially with the glitter shades, glitter polygels or glitter acrylics. When they're all dulled and buffed out, it's so satisfying to apply that top coat on. I think it looks so stunning, so satisfying. I love watching this process. Now onto the nail art. I didn't really have a specific idea in mind. I just wanted some black detailing, maybe some flowers, just really simple and pretty. I didn't use any references for this nail art. I just freestyled the whole thing, adding in some swirls and some dots. Really no rhyme or reason, just going with what I feel. And I just went ahead and repeated that for the rest of the nails. Some nail therapy, just having fun with it and not being too particular. I did want to quickly mention I'm using Beetle's black gel polish, and I'm using some fine liner nail art brushes that I got from Amazon. Everything that I use today will be linked down below. I also have an Amazon storefront that'll be linked down below with the nail art brushes that I recommend and just some other nail recommendations if you wanted to check any of that out. That'll all be down there. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the nail art on the rest of the nails. There's really not too much to say about it. I'll pop back in when we're ready for the next step. So now that we're finally done with all of the nail art, it's finally time for some top coat. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that for the rest of the nails. So here's how they came out. I really love how they came out. I thought the polygel performed really well. I liked that it wasn't too sticky and it wasn't too stiff. It kind of just stayed wherever you put it. And especially for being a glitter polygel, sometimes those can be a bit too thick and just a little more difficult to work with, but these were so simple and so easy. Just really easy and beginner friendly. Again, I'll have these linked down below, along with a code for an extra 5% off. I'll also have everything else linked down below, as well as my Amazon storefront, in case you were wondering any of the nail products that I would recommend or nail products that I use. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.